Let's learn how to divide the number 530 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 0. We know 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent number 3 here. And we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left. So remove this 0. But see that again this 3 is less than 5. But although we have brought down this number 3 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 3. But in this case, we will treat this 3 as less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 530 divided by 5 is equal to 106. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.